The ArbiTECH Forensic Engineering and Construction Claims team represents the best and the brightest within the industry. Our licensed professionals offer a full range of services. We are the trusted advisor to our clients, and we are the individuals our clients reach out to answer: how did it happen? Why did it happen? What are the damages? Can it be repaired? All of our forensic engineering experts have decades of experience in legal and insurance claim support, design, and construction. Our experts use their intellectual knowledge base to assess the root cause of engineering design, installation, and materials-related failures to determine what is needed to fix the issue. Our forensic engineering experts offer a full range of services including structural, building envelope, pavement and earthworks, building systems, roofs, mechanical systems, materials, and metallurgical. Our engineers also provide specialty consulting on specialty systems and materials where you often can't do a square foot analysis. Be it site documentation, sample collection and custody, historic document review, or data analysis, our engineers are professional and thorough. Each bit of evidence used to form opinions is supported by thorough documentation. ArbiTECH's forensic engineering reports have proven to be independent, coherent, comprehensive, and defensible. As an instrument of service, we convey our engineering opinions in a manner that is persuasive and ethical. Most importantly, our opinions have replaced bias or indecision with a well-reasoned and supported explanation of the obligations, faults, issues, costs, and consequences. ArbiTECH. Come experience what more than 75 law firms and contractors across Canada have discovered.